What if I told you, you can be a full-time developer for my company for $6,000 a year? Doesn't sound too intriguing, does it? Well, let me sweeten up the offer a little bit. What if we toss in 0.5% equity?
Well, gentlemen, you had my curiosity, but now you have my attention.
Yeah, that's a real position. Full stack developer, full-time, $6,000 to $18,000 a year, 0% equity to 0.5% equity, if you're lucky. What if I told you I had a revolutionary business idea disrupting the industry? Gaming meets travel. What if I told you I would offer you no money but 1% to 2% equity to build my entire idea? I take 98%, you take 2%. What would you call that? Would you call that BS? Or would you call that a great opportunity? No, you would call that a regular job posted on angelList. His name is Khaled Chawich, entrepreneur, business professional, hustler, goal-oriented. And then this is the business Travel Taka, iOS developer, 1% to 2%, 4 years experience, job type, internship. angelList is becoming almost as bad as Upwork, where it's just a race to the bottom. More and more random business professionals with revolutionary tech ideas posting it on here, offering nothing. It's like when companies send you a really complicated code test, but it's not actually a code test, it's their actual application, and they're going to use that code for their application and then just say, no thank you, we don't actually need you, but thanks for building this feature for free. That's what's going on here, except it's just more transparent that they want you to build their entire app. Here's another example. What if I told you that you could be the co-founder of a startup? What would you expect from that? Money? Nah, maybe not. It's a startup, right? What about equity? Well, yeah, I'd probably take some equity if I was the co-founder. Well, how much equity would you want? 50%? 45%? How about 10%? No, let's say 5 to 10%. Yes, that job exists. So again, we have another person who has absolutely no technical ability, but needs someone to build their idea for 5 to 10% equity. More and more of these fake douchebag CEOs are popping up on angelList, looking for a technical co-founder to help build the MVP. Well, if you only have one position, I imagine that you want them to build the entire thing. Is this guy out of his mind? I mean, this is a full-time position. I don't know what kind of people are able to financially accept these unless they were already loaded. What if I told you, you can be a full-time developer for my company for $6,000 a year? Doesn't sound too intriguing, does it? Well, let me sweeten up the offer a little bit. What if we toss in 0.5% equity?
Well, gentlemen, you had my curiosity, but now you have my attention.
Yeah, that's a real position. Full stack developer, full-time, $6,000 to $18,000 a year, 0% equity to 0.5% equity, if you're lucky. What are you going to do with 0.5% equity? CEO at Funnel. We help companies run marketing campaigns that work. Again, this just looks like someone who had an idea and they want someone to build their entire company for them. What if I told you, you can be a front-end developer full-time for $0 to $12,000 a year? What if I told you we're looking for someone that's willing to deliver fast and can perform a task in 1/3 time of the regular developer? Yeah, that's a real job posting. Front-end developer at Speed Legal, $0 to $12,000 a year, 0 to 1% equity. They're looking for someone who's willing to deliver fast and iterate on the learnings and could perform a task in 1/3 the time of a normal developer. But they don't even want to pay 1/3 the price of a normal developer. I mean, well, you multiply this by 3, you're at $36,000 a year. That's still garbage for a front-end developer. So you want everything done, not in 50% of the time. You want it done in 33% of the time for 0.1% of the price. His name is Hans Paul Pizza. He's the CEO at Speed Legal, Step Charge, and Iovado. Again, we have another person who has no idea how to code or make any software. Founder, co-founder, founder, financial analyst, founder, summer internship, and founder. Worked as a financial analyst at Amazon and summer internships. And that's his experience. Now he's the CEO of literally 3 companies. I could see people reading this and go, oh wow, I can stand out here. I can deliver in 1/3 the time of a normal developer. This is If you accept this job, you lower the overall market rate. People are going to start expecting this. They go, all we have to offer is $12,000 and we can get people to make stuff in 33% of the time of our regular developers? Are you serious? Here's another example of a founder, CEO that has zero technical ability and needs someone to make his idea for him. He's looking for a CTO, technical co-founder, doesn't even offer salary, doesn't even offer equity, looking for CTO or head of development. Here's one from James Diola. He's the founder. He's offering you 1% to 10%. And no money. The individual should possess skills that complement our current team's strengths and weaknesses in the areas of, but not limited to, mobile app web development, design, marketing, and content creation. So you need to be able to do all of these things. It is imperative that this person also has deep evidence-based understanding of health and fitness with experience working toward their own personal fitness goals. Evidence-based understanding of health and fitness. Does that mean if you walk in and you don't have six-pack abs, they won't even consider you? I mean, you shouldn't consider this anyways, but like, this seems a little bit like discrimination in the job post. Here's another example of a CEO that is just trying ideas and trying to get people to build it for him. He's looking for a software engineer that can do mobile application development, also front end and back end. He says, currently have very little funding, could change with the next Y Combinator batch, looking for a co-founder who would like to put in sweat equity in return for real equity. Let's take a look at the founder and let me show you what I mean by that. He has founded 4 startups. He's sold absolutely none of them. He's failed all of his startups and he's working on his fifth time's the charm. Am I right? What I think we should all do is we should all just go on AngelList and we should all create companies. You go up here, click create company profile, and we should just post jobs that say, currently looking for a super senior software developer with 5 years experience. I'm going to offer you 10% equity. Just have people build your app ideas for free. I mean, maybe I should do that for all the video game ideas that I have. Just make a company, say I'm looking for a game developer to build this for me. I'll give you 10% equity, no money, full time. Let me know when it's done. And then I'm just gonna bounce. That's what all these people are doing. I think it's pretty big brain on their part, but it's also pretty crappy that AngelList allows this. Here's another dude that went straight from intern to CEO. This is Sam. He was an intern at Fredwater, an intern performance analyst at DDJ Capital Management, and a finance intern at World Surf League. And then he said, you know what? I'm not even gonna go from intern to regular job. I'm going from intern to CEO. I have one position open, no salary, no equity, front-end engineer. We need you to do the UI, UX design, and literally everything else. Monday to Friday is flexible. People are like, it's good for your resume to put an internship on there. What you should do is just go register an LLC, employ yourself underneath it as a software developer, and then boom, done, problem solved. Now you've done it for yourself and maybe you have something later to sell. Here's another example, full stack developer intern, unpaid for 4 months. Type internship, 1 year experience to be an intern, which is kind of silly. No, this is an unpaid internship. This is a volunteership. You go on AngelList, look for yourself. Go look at all the people that are like,
yo, I got this revolutionary idea, but like I can't build it, and like if you could just go like build that for me, go ahead and click apply. That would be great.
Because that's all. This is what AngelList is turning into. But that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Click a like button. Click subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And then in my Discord, I have a link for garbage jobs and corporate cringe stuff. So if you find other stuff that you want me to showcase on the channel, happy to do it. Link for the Discord is down there too, and some other things that support the channel. Check those out. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.